The TRM 422 routing machine is built for PCB manufacturers who run tight tolerance work, complex stack-ups, and materials prone to dimensional change. Its cast iron frame absorbs vibration and maintains rigidity, supporting stable, precise routing, even at high speed. Direct drive linear motors and linear scales on both X and Y axes deliver positioning accuracy of 5 microns and repeatability of 2.5 microns. With no mechanical backlash, the TRM 422 maintains smooth, precise motion through corners and arcs, which translates into cleaner edges, stable dimensions, and predictable performance on dense HDI and fine pitch designs. An integrated CCD optical registration system reads fiducials at the panel, array, or individual PCB level before routing. The machine automatically compensates for offset, rotation, stretch, and skew, allowing routing data to be dynamically scaled to match the actual panel. This is especially valuable on tight tolerance jobs and on materials subject to scale, such as high layer count builds, rigid flex, polyimide, and high TG laminates, where imaging and routing must track each other within a few microns across the full panel. Ceramic bearing spindle reaches up to 60,000 revolutions per minute and supports tool sizes from 0.75 to 3.175 millimeters. The tool magazine holds up to 100 tools per spindle, enabling long production runs with minimal interruption. Integrated tool measurement maintains a consistent depth of cut from the first panel to the last, even through tool changes. A high-velocity vacuum system at the pressure foot removes debris at the cut point, reducing heat at the tool tip and helping prevent wear or breakage. This airflow is critical to keeping routing paths clean, maintaining edge quality, and extending tool life. The TRM 422 handles both standard rigid PCBs and rigid flex constructions. Its stable fixturing, precise depth control, CCD-driven alignment, and high-speed spindle allow accurate profile routing across mixed materials, including flex transition zones without compromising the flexible layers. Process stability is further supported by a regulated 7 kg air supply and a closed-loop chiller that maintains spindle temperature. Together, these systems help prevent thermal drift that could otherwise erode dimensional accuracy over long shifts. The machine is outfitted with productivity and quality upgrades, including CCD optical registration, broken tool detection, and bit life monitoring to reduce downtime and preserve accuracy on demanding jobs. Safety interlocks and automated checks support consistent, reliable operation. With a working area of 560 by 720 millimeters and cutting speeds up to half a meter per second, the TRM 422 combines CCD-driven registration with backlash-free linear motor motion to deliver the throughput and precision required for HDI boards, rigid flex designs, and multilayer panels, where accuracy and repeatability matter most.